Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Confirm your router broadcasts to 4 GHz, save the SSID and password, and sign into the vendor app. Next, power the mesh light and keep it within arm's reach of the controller or phone so initial pairing succeeds. Once the device shows a blinking LED, open the app and choose Add Device. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant Bluetooth or LAN permissions. This fast start ensures a stable link before advanced steps. Now you build the mesh. In the app, select the newly discovered light, input the saved SSID and password, and assign a clear name and room so you can manage groups. Once connected, check for firmware updates and let them install completely. This reduces instability. After updating, place additional nodes where signal drops occur and enable auto-join and channel optimization in settings. These steps create a resilient mesh that hands-off controls smoothly as finish by testing the system thoroughly. Toggle power, dim, and cycle colors from different areas to confirm seamless handoffs. If you notice lag, adjust node placement slightly. Move a problematic node 1 to 2 meters closer to another node, not the router, because mesh hops matter. If a node refuses to respond, perform a factory reset by holding the button for 10 seconds, then re-add it in the app. This often clears pairing glitches. Make sure to rerun firmware checks after rejoining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.